Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to take a minute, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video because it is gonna be a review video for some of the Mamaearth products and a little haul because I'll be showing you just 3 products that I received just today and I have used it for a really long time. So if you're interested in knowing the products I'm gonna review, then keep on watching. We'll start with the oil. इसका कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है, इट्स ऑल गायब हो चुका है, तो आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर कि क्या था एंड इसका जो पैकेजिंग था मैंने उसको फेंक दिया था, तो मेरे को याद भी नहीं है. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू अगेन. सी, दिस इज़ हाउ द हेयर ऑयल इज़. द हेयर ऑयल आई हैव यूज्ड बहुत सारा, अगर आपको दिखे तो फिर लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. बस इतना है इसमें. यू कैन सी हाउ मच आई हैव यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. ये नॉर्मल हेयर ऑयल जैसा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स समथिंग रियली गुड दैट विल चेंज योर हेयर गेम एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट्स नॉर्मल हेयर ऑयल जो आप नॉर्मल लाइफ में अपना यूज़ करते हो. It's just simply like that. Product, I don't think so I'm gonna repurchase this product because it has no special thing in it that will make my hair really smooth or anything of that sort, so I don't think I'm gonna ever do that. So yeah. Okay guys, so the next product I'm gonna show you here is the No More Tangles No More Tangles conditioner, and this is the Happy Head shampoo. Biotin, amla and natural protein in it. It's for healthy and strong hair. This came in an anti hair fall kit, right? Just didn't help anything in my hair fall because I've been using this from the last 1 month and it has done nothing to my hair. ये इतना माइल्ड शैम्पू है. अगर आप ऑयल लगा रहे हो एंड यू आर स्लीपिंग एट नाइट, यू वेक अप एट द मॉर्निंग, यू यूज़ दिस शैम्पू, आपका वो ऑयली एसेंस होता है हेयर से, वो पूरा नहीं जाएगा इफ़ यू डोंट यूज़ इट शैम्पू योर हेयर फॉर 1 or 2 times, एंड दैट विल eventually make your hair really rough. So what's the use? And मेरा जितना हेयर फॉल हो रहा था उतना कंटिन्यू था, लाइक कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा था उससे. सो I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this. Really normal शैम्पू जैसा है and it is really mild. If you अगर दिस शैम्पू इज़ नाइस जब आपको नॉर्मली ऐसे यूज़ करना है, लाइक यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ जिम एंड योर हेयर इज़ रियली दैट स्टिकी एंड ऑयली, आप ये शैम्पू यूज़ कर सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज़ रियली माइल्ड एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ हाउ आई एम गोना यूज़ इट. This doesn't help in hair fall control as it claims to be. So yeah. Although this conditioner is really nice because it just give your hair a really good shine. It has milk protein, avocado and and shea butter in it, and it is really nice for frizz free hair, and it actually is nice for frizz free hair because you won't have frizz if you apply this conditioner. I'm in love with this conditioner. Whatever shampoo I use this conditioner because this conditioner is really nice. If I'm gonna purchase anything from this set, then I'm gonna purchase the conditioner and nothing else. Okay, as I have already told, I'm not gonna buy anything else. Here comes the last thing in that anti hair fall kit. This is the Pro Growth Hair Tonic, and I don't know, एक तो इसका smell is really bad, okay, really bad, and it's like good product smell bad, बस एक thinking होता है सबके दिमाग में. So it has so much good products in this, but it doesn't work, you guys. It doesn't work. I used it every time after I shampoo my hair. How you can use this in your clear scalp? तो जब मैं shampoo करके आती हूँ, then my scalp is really clear at that point of time, and that is when I use this, and this doesn't work. Nothing works. Basically पूरा anti hair fall kit में से सिर्फ the conditioner is the only thing that worked, and और कुछ भी चला ही नहीं, work ही नहीं किया. So I don't think I have anything else more to say about this. It's over also. I don't know how can I show it. यहाँ से मेरे को पास से दिख रहा है, तो it's like I have used it up to this much. So you can see this much I have already used, and it's pretty useless. You can see my spots here, as you can see, there is no additional hair growth or anything. Pretty useless. Like I feel now कि मेरा 1000 रुपये ऐसे ही चला गया, कुछ काम का ही नहीं था. Okay guys, I have just 2 more hair products to show, then we'll just quickly move into the skincare products, right? So I have 2 hair masks here. This is the tea tree hair mask and this is the onion hair mask. If you haven't watched my haul, Mamaearth haul, I have already mentioned this 2 to 3 weeks back aram se. I got this one is really old because this is the tea tree mask. I got this really back because it is for dandruff and itchy scalp, and I was facing that problem. I love this mask. Let me just tell you that I love this mask. I love this mask so much that I think I have completed it pura, और थोड़ा सा बाकी है. You can see this is a texture of the mask and I have totally completed it. और कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ही है. I'm gonna surely repurchase this because this tub is, I think this is the only mask from Mamaearth I have tried till now works. Yeah, I have just told that, right? This is the only thing I feel it works, because बाकी कुछ तो मुझे नहीं लगता चलता है कि नहीं. Because I also got this onion hair mask. You can see I have used pretty so much of this and doesn't work. It's like it's for hair fall control, right? Doesn't control hair fall. Let me just say you that maybe this product is working for you, but it hasn't worked for me. And I have 2 skincare products with me. This is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream and this is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles cream. Okay, this product, I have a total review on this product. You can just go and watch it. Link I'll just give it in the description box, so you can go and watch it. Basically this product is, when you gonna buy this, it will work 1 week 2 week के लिए. This is gonna work. You will see your scars are taming down and your skin is becoming more even and clear. This has helped me for like for my clear skin and everything. But yeah, after some days, after 2 weeks, after 1 month, after using this for 1 month, it is not gonna help you with scars. Trust me, it is not gonna help you with scars. So I don't know how this product works or what is that in that product, that for some days it will work, for some days it will not work. I don't know. Now it's just a face cream that I have to complete. Let's come to this Dark Circles Bye Bye Dark Circles eye cream. It's with peptides and cucumber. Okay, those two are really nice for your dark eye circles. I have to work late, right? Work late as in I have to do my college projects or anything. I have to study or I have to edit the video or anything I have to do. I have to wake, so like it's my kind of thing that I sleep a lot late, like 3-4 baje I sleep. I really need this in my life. Like I need an eye cream in my life. This doesn't work. You can see my photos like back then and now. You can see my videos because I make a lot of makeup videos. So I came pura bare face, so you can totally see. You just have to take a look, you guys. This you can just comment down below and let me know if this thing has worked, because मेरे लिए how much I know this doesn't work. And ये I use day and night. 1 month के लिए I have used this eye cream day and night. I don't have any other eye cream also. This is the only eye cream I have and I wanted to use it, but I don't think it's making any difference in my dark circles. So yeah, we'll come to the face mask now. This is the Upton face mask, the most popular Upton face mask, and this is the Neem face mask. This is really nice for pimples and jits. Okay, this face mask is really nice because when you put it in your skin, like put it as a like when you put this when you put this face mask on your face is really like पूरा ठंडा ठंडा लगता है, mint refresh लगता है when you put this, and it does have some tingling sensation. So any of you with sensitive skin type should really patch test first and then use it, because this does give me a little tingling sensation, because I don't mind that, because I feel कि tingling sensation में पता चलता है कि like your mask is actually working. So I don't mind that. If you are a sensitive skin type, then I will totally tell you to patch test first and then use this product. Okay, so let me just show you. I have got this way back, and see, this much I have used. पूरा है अभी तक, मैंने 2-3 बार इसको यूज़ किया है. इसका प्रोडक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ रियली नाइस, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट अगेन वर्क्स फॉर एनी ऑफ माई पिम्पल्स और इट प्रिवेंट पिम्पल्स. रादर देन आई फील कि ये फेस मास्क मेरे फेस को थोड़ा रफ कर देता है. It is for oily skin types, it is not for dry skin types, but maybe that is why it is like really drying on my face. I don't know, maybe, but it didn't work anyway. So we'll come to this is the most famous Uptan face mask from Mamaearth, and everyone raves about this product and everyone loves this product. I don't understand why. Yeah guys, I literally don't understand why, because it's just like a like normal mask जो आपका स्किन को क्या मतलब कुछ नहीं करता है. आफ्टर यूजिंग अ मास्क what are the things you want to feel? You want to feel कि आपका जो स्कार्स है वो थोड़ा लाइटन हो जाए, and your skin looks a little bright and good and refreshing and soft. बेसिकली आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस मास्क आपका स्किन थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाएगा, बस, और कुछ ही नहीं. इट डजेंट हेल्प विथ एनीथिंग, इट डजेंट हेल्प विथ योर स्कार्स, इट डजेंट हेल्प विथ एनीथिंग. I don't know why I got this. It's like, we'll quickly come back to the things I've got. This is the vitamin C face cream with vitamin C and SPF 20. Let me just show you. This is how it looks. This is a really big thing, and it is how many ml it is. I just wanted to get this because this has SPF 20. I wanted to get some sunscreen wala mix cream product, so I got this. Then I got this one. ये ऐसे ही आया था. This is the vitamin C face toner. It has vitamin C and cucumber. This is how it looks. I think this is the new. Its packaging is still closed. I haven't used this till now. And the next thing I've got is this Mamaearth Skin Correct Serum. This is how it has came in this packaging. And इसके अंदर सब दिया हुआ है. No, you just have to take it out and put the pump, and just this is how it looks. It's totally transparent, you guys. So you have to shake and use this before you use. It is 30 ml of product for $4.99 I think, or $5.99. I'll just leave everything down below so you can go and check it there. These are all the products that I've got. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video, and do let me know in the comments down below what are some of the Mamaearth products that have worked for you, or have worked for me, not worked for you. Just let me know. Let's just have a chat on that. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a video like this. And guys, I'll see you next time. Love you, take care. Mwah.